Good afternoon, class. I apologize about my lateness in um this initial post. Today we're talking about different tasks and environments in workplace. So let's begin. Um, in my course at BMW, I have worked in the F-25 shop, working on the X3, or building the X3 rear, and the Geo 1 body shop, building the newer X3 motor compartment. And the two are literally as different as night and day. Everything is very different about them, and the the issues, the environmental issues that existed in F-25 don't exist. They have been completely engineered out. So let's start talking. A task with the vision. Well, F-25 was a dungeon. It was dark. There was all the robots and all the weld guns, whether they were on pedestals or whether they were on robots, were pneumatic servo on operated with a pneumatic servo cylinder. The welds were very imprecise, and they weren't imprecise, but they were not as nice and even as what we now operate with an electrical servo motor. um, especially as the cylinder started to wear out. It caused a lot of expulsion, and that showed up as a lot of dust and a lot of it was just a very grimy, dirty area. And this got on the lights and dimmed them immensely. So you'd go outside. If you went outside for even a few minutes, it would kill the vision that you had, the darker vision you had. And as we've learned, it takes 30 minutes to fully get your night vision in place. This new shop is very clean. It uses electric servo motors, which are much more precise with the amount of pressure and with the amount of pressure applied to the weld. So the expulsion has dropped down immensely, and the lighting system is simply better. So if I walk outside and I walk back inside, there's not a lot of difference with noise. The old shop used to have the rear compartment that I used to work in was at one point was shaped like a horseshoe, and I, as a mechanic, sat in kind of the middle of that. Well, that's you hear you hear wearing out robots just whizzing by and picking things up and welding, and whizzing by and picking things up and welding all day long. It's loud. It's like an echo chamber in there, and so we had to wear um, we were required, and we enforced the wearing of hearing protection. In this new shop, the production lines are in parallel straight lines, so there is no echo effect of something of being in the middle of something, in the middle of all this operation. And a task with associated with wow, I'm really tasks associated with vibration. Well, newer robots and newer processes are going to be in naturally better shape than ones that have been wearing out for the last 8 to 16 years. The newer technology is going to run better, run smoother, and well, smoother in some senses. Um, and the vibration and the vibration of the robots is gone. The clanking of motors as old as old gears run out at the various axes is gone because they're new robots. And finally, a task with illumination. The better lighting that I mentioned makes doing fine tasks makes troubleshooting immensely easier. I'm not having when I go into a robot cell, I'm not having to bring out my flashlight to simply take a look around. I bring out my flashlight if I want to see something specifically, like I'm reteaching a weld spot to ensure better quality for the car that you're spending $40,000 on. So all of these all of these tasks that we worked in, that we did everything in, have improved. We have better vision. The noise is reduced, the vibrations are gone, and the illumination for specific tasks is greatly improved and have been engineered out within these new lines. Anyway, I hope you all have a great day, and I hope to see what you say.